Good morning, student. Now today I am going to clear your solution, the remaining part of exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. You see, question number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. Question number 2, first part. Once again you read the given questions. You have to compare the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, and you have to find out whether the line represent the pair of linear equations intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. Now first point, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Student, on comparing with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. The A1 coefficient of x in first equation, A1 is 5. The coefficient of y in first equation, B1 is equal to minus 4 and C1 is equal to 8. Okay. Now A2 is equal to coefficient of x in second equation, A2 7 and coefficient of y in second equation, B2 is 6 and C2 is minus 9. Okay. Now you see A1 upon A2 equal to 5 upon 7, B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 4 upon 6. You can cut it also, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. Then you will get minus 2 by 3. Now A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2, because it is minus 5 by 7 and this is minus 2 by 3. So in this case you can write lines intersect at a point. If you will find such condition, then you will say lines intersect at a point, and in this case you will find unique solution of this equation. Unique solution, value of x and y will be find by you can find the value of x and y if this condition you will have. Okay, and you can write lines intersect at a point. In this case first condition, intersect at a point. There is here intersect at a point. So you can say 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 intersect at a point. This is your answer. Now second part 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. You see, on comparing, A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 12. A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to 24. Now A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 by 18 means 1 by 2. B1 upon B2 is equal to 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. C1 upon C2 is equal to 12 by 24 means 1 by 2. Student, you are getting A1 upon A2 1 by 2, B1 upon B2 1 by 2, C1 upon C2 1 by 2. Means condition is there, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. In this case, you can say, in this case you can say lines 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0 are coincident, because you will, in such case you will get infinitely many solution of these two equations. The value of x and y will be different, infinitely many solution if such cases is there, and you can write the lines are coincident. So your satisfaction here coincident, in question it is given. Now you see third part. Okay, third part 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. On comparing, A1 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to minus 3, C1 is equal to 10, A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 1, coefficient of y is nothing, so there will be minus 1, and C2 is equal to 9. Now A1 upon A2 is equal to 6 by 2, B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1, C1 upon C2 is equal to 10 upon 9. Okay, you see 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2 means A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 1, and B1 upon B2 is equal to minus minus cancel 3 by 1, and C1 upon C2 is equal to 10 by 9. In such case you will get A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. A1 upon A2 value 3 upon 1, B1 upon B2 value 3 upon 1, both are equal, but C1 upon C2 is not equal. So this case you will get. In this case the lines are parallel. If in such case you are finding, then you can say in this case lines are parallel. Both lines will not intersect at a point anywhere and coincident. So 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 are parallel lines. Okay, student. So I hope question number 2 clearly you have understood, and I will send you next question solution in next video. Thank you.